The capybara. Enter the world of the capybara, the planet's largest rodent, resembling an oversized guinea pig rather than a nightmare for those with rodent phobias. Typically native to northern and central South America, some have found their way to the swamps of Florida, a consequence of lax exotic pet laws. Weighing between 65 to 150 pounds and measuring up to 4 feet from nose to tail, these creatures stand at 2.5 feet to the shoulder. Their peculiar diet involves constant grazing on various plants and grasses to control their ever-growing teeth. A rather unusual morning habit adds to the intrigue. They consume their own feces, claimed to be rich in protein during this time. This quirky practice aids in digesting their challenging grass-heavy diet, showcasing the capybara's unique adaptation to the wild, blending oddity and necessity in their daily routine. Lion's mane jellyfish. Encounter the colossal lion's mane jellyfish, a sea monster of epic proportions with some reaching 2.5 meters in width and tentacles stretching an astonishing 30 meters, rivaling the length of a blue whale. Named Cyanea capillata due to their shaggy appearance reminiscent of a lion's mane, these giants roam the North Pacific and Arctic waters in pursuit of small fish and coruscations. Spookily, these bioluminescent creatures generate their own light, glowing in the dark depths of the sea. Despite their mesmerizing glow, encountering one is no joy, as they pack a nasty sting used to stun prey before consumption. With a mouth strategically positioned beneath their bell-shaped bodies, these dangerously efficient hunters deploy their long tentacles in a massive trap, capturing and immobilizing prey with their potent sting, showcasing the formidable and captivating nature of the lion's mane jellyfish. The giant bullfrog. The giant bullfrog, also known as the African bullfrog, dominates the amphibian scene with its colossal size, spanning various African countries. Feasting on a diverse menu from insects to birds, these cannibalistic frogs, witnessed devouring 17 young wrinkle snakes in one sitting, showcase their voracious appetite. Despite their African origin, the international exotic pet trade has spread them worldwide as chunky pets, often bred in captivity, boasting lifespans of up to 35 years. Encounter an intriguing tale from Batesville, Texas, where a 13-pound bullfrog emerges from a fishing pond, its true size possibly distorted by an optical illusion in the way it's presented. Unveil the mysteries surrounding these oversized amphibians, transcending borders and perplexing the curious minds of those enchanted by the extraordinary in the animal kingdom. The Komodo dragon. Enter the realm of the Komodo dragon, a colossal creature tipping the scales at over 300 pounds. Consuming an astounding 80% of their body weight in a single meal, their impressive size is justified. Beneath their seemingly cute exterior lies a ruthless predator, armed with one of the animal kingdom's most terrifying murder skills. Despite occasional entertaining antics, these monitor lizards harbor a venomous bite that spells doom for prey, inducing gradual paralysis. Escaping powerful jaws offers no reprieve, as the venom works slowly, rendering victims helpless before the impending feast. Beyond the wilderness, these psychopathic reptiles exhibit unsettling behavior, occasionally targeting humans, indifferent to their state of life or death. Known for grave robbing, Komodo dragons feast on decomposed corpses, showcasing a macabre preference for the more putrid and rotten flesh. Navigate the eerie world of these formidable lizards, where nightmares of savage predation and unconventional dining habits come to life. The giant Gippsland earthworm. Enter the realm of the giant Gippsland earthworm, an elusive creature seldom seen but audible as they wriggle beneath the surface in the soft, wet earth of South and West Gippsland, Australia. These sizable invertebrates, exceeding 3 feet in length, navigate the dark clay burrows, squelching along the way. Despite their substantial size, much remains unknown about their life and habits as their entire life cycle unfolds underground. With estimates placing their lifespan between 10 and 20 years, these giants mate annually during spring and early summer, laying a single egg capsule in the burrow, taking over a year to hatch. Threatened by shrinking habitats exacerbated by global warming and increasing drought risks, these earthworms face the peril of disappearing altogether. In the specific corners of Victoria, Australia, exercise caution, for these fragile beings cannot endure even the slightest injury and may vanish if not protected from the ongoing environmental challenges. Galapagos tortoise. Meet the Galapagos tortoise, named not after the islands but due to their immense shell, resembling a saddleback in Spanish. Weighing up to 700 pounds, these herbivores thrive on a diet of grasses, fruits, and plants. Renowned for their exceptional longevity, Galapagos tortoises can live up to 150 years, a feat attributed to their lack of natural predators after the first year and their ability to endure extended periods without food and water. Despite their resilience, these gentle giants face threats from human activities. Once hunted for meat and shells, their contemporary struggles include habitat destruction and the impact of over-tourism. Admire these adorable creatures as they symbolize both the marvels of massive animals and the vulnerability of even the most resilient species in the face of human-induced challenges. Elephant seals. Elephant seals come in two distinct types, northern and southern, each adapted to different environments. The northern variety, residing around California and Baja California, has a shorter lifespan of around 9 years. In contrast, the southern elephant seal, preferring sub-Antarctic waters, can live between 20 and 22 years. The males of this species can reach staggering lengths of over 20 feet and weigh a whopping 8,800 pounds, showcasing their impressive bulk and earning their name with trunk-like snouts. During mating season, these colossal creatures gather in massive numbers, engaging in fierce battles to establish dominance for mating privileges. In the 19th century, they faced near extinction due to hunting, but their prolific mating habits have since led to a population rebound, currently numbering around 100,000. Witness the spectacle of these enormous mammals fiercely competing for the chance to engage in mating and special cuddling during their intense and sometimes violent mating rituals. Saltwater crocodile. Meet the monster-sized saltwater crocodile, crowned the animal most likely to dine on humans, according to its yearbook. Spanning a colossal range from India to Australia, these reptilian giants, the largest among crocodilians, measure around 17 to 15 feet and weigh approximately 1,000 pounds. Astonishingly, some specimens stretch to an immense 23 feet and a gargantuan 2,200 pounds. Positioned just below the water's surface near the shore, the opportunistic croc seizes its chance as unsuspecting animals approach for refreshment. With a vice-like bite, it swiftly captures and pulls prey underwater, drowning them. Unselective in its appetite, the saltwater crocodile devours anything from monkeys to wild boars, water buffaloes, and even sharks. Once ensnared in its powerful jaws, escape becomes nearly impossible, solidifying the reputation of this formidable predator as an apex predator in its aquatic domain, the shoebill. Enter the world of the shoebill, an enormous long-legged wading bird, also recognized as whalebills or whale-headed storks, aptly named for their colossal bills. These avian giants inhabit the tropical swamps of East Africa, spanning countries from Zambia to South Sudan. Towering at heights of up to 55 inches with an impressive wingspan reaching 8 feet and 6 inches, the shoebill's most distinctive feature is its massive bill. This comical-looking bird also boasts remarkably large feet, with middle toes stretching nearly 7.5 inches in length. Explore the intriguing dimensions of this avian marvel as it navigates the swamps, showcasing the unique blend of size and quirkiness that defines the captivating shoebill in its natural habitat. Giant freshwater stingray. Meet the colossal freshwater giant, also known as the whipray, the world's largest freshwater fish. Often a creature of legend, this massive stingray, reaching a staggering 1,000 pounds, is the elusive prize for anglers seeking epic encounters. In 2009, National Geographic documented a monumental catch off the waters of Thailand, measuring an astounding 2 meters in width and a formidable 6.9 feet or 2.1 meters in length. Though unfortunate to have lost its tail, had it remained intact, this ray could have stretched up to 5 meters. Despite lacking an official weight, estimations suggest it was at least 450 kilograms, setting a new record for its species. As scientists delve deeper into the mysteries of this immense fish, The discovery of even larger versions remains a tantalizing possibility, unveiling a world where these colossal stingrays might just be the babies of an undiscovered realm. The giant squid. Embark on an exploration of the legendary giant squid, epic sea monsters, woven into age-old tales of wrestling fishing boats. Witness the enormity of these creatures as the largest recorded giant squid reached a colossal 59 feet in length, weighing a ton, reminiscent of monstrous calamari rings. Their elusive nature makes studying them challenging. Knowledge about their behavior remains largely unknown. Scientists often rely on chance encounters, such as a giant squid washing ashore or surprising fishermen. Inhabiting the deep oceans, they likely prey on fish, other squid, and possibly small whales. Equipped with 8 arms and 2 feeding tentacles resembling hands, these invertebrates grasp and feed with precision. Notably, their gigantic peepers boast eyeballs measuring a whopping 10 inches across, granting them unparalleled visibility in the dark depths and exemplifying an extraordinary adaptation in the vast, mysterious sea. Andean condors. Marvel at the Andean condor, one of the world's largest flying birds, with an impressive ability to soar despite its substantial weight. Weighing up to 33 pounds and boasting colossal wingspans of 10 feet, these birds face challenges in achieving flight, relying on windy environments to provide the necessary lift. Inhabiting mountainous regions, particularly the Andes and coastal areas, they strategically utilize air currents to effortlessly glide, conserving energy. The predominantly black plumage of Andean condors features white collars and wing markings in males, while their bald heads set them apart. Witness these majestic birds gracefully navigating the skies, utilizing nature's elements to overcome the limitations of their weight, and showcasing the remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in various terrains. The Flemish giant rabbit. Meet the Flemish giant rabbit, the heavyweight champs of the bunny world, originating from Flanders and Belgium, initially bred for meat and fur since the 16th century. Descendants of various rabbit breeds globally, these giants were selectively bred for generations to yield docile and extra-large bunnies. Today, Flemish giants are popular as pets, known for their cleanliness and ability to be litter-trained like cats. Weighing around 15 pounds on average, some giants tip the scales at a whopping 22.2 pounds and stretch over 4 feet long. The record-breaking duo, Dexter and his father Darius, steal the spotlight, with Darius officially holding the title of the world's biggest and heaviest bunny at 4 feet 3 inches long and 49 pounds. Despite a substantial reward, this record-setting rabbit's whereabouts remain unknown, captivating the attention of Pete detectives worldwide. The moose. Enter the world of the massive Alaskan moose, the largest among its kind, with an estimated population ranging from 175,000 to 200,000 meandering throughout Alaska. These colossal creatures stand at an astounding 7 feet from hoof to shoulder, excluding their huge head and antlers. A hefty male moose can weigh up to 1,600 pounds, rivaling only the bison as the largest land mammal in North America. Displaying a remarkable fashion sense, male moose grow formidable antlers each spring, shedding the old ones in winter. Despite their herbivorous nature, Alaskan moose are not to be trifled with, showcasing aggression when feeling threatened. Even the seemingly gentle female moose won't hesitate to deliver a powerful hoof to any perceived threat to her offspring. Approach with caution, for crossing paths with a moose may turn into an unexpectedly perilous encounter, reminding us never to underestimate the power of these magnificent creatures in Alaska's wilderness. Silverback gorilla. Enter the realm of the silverback gorilla, the adult male of the mountain gorilla species, distinguished by the striking silver hair on their backs, a symbol of elder status. Towering at 5 feet tall and weighing around 430 pounds, these massive apes showcase exceptional strength, capable of lifting a staggering 1,763 pounds of dead weight. While they often employ this strength to topple trees, they can wield it for various purposes. As close relatives to humans in the animal kingdom, gorillas share significant genetic similarities. Despite their potential power, gorillas are generally gentle giants, contrasting with the unpredictable nature of humans. However, when threatened or engaged in intragroup conflicts, they can become formidable adversaries. Their warning signs, including foot stamping, chest beating, and vocalizations, precede any potential confrontation. White rhinoceros. Enter the realm of the white rhinoceros, the largest rhino species and the second largest land mammal globally. Contrary to the color association, the name white rhino originates from the African word for wide, describing the animal's broad mouth. As of March 2018, only 2 northern white rhinos remained globally, both females in a Kenyan reserve, with the last male's demise in the same year. Southern white rhinos, concentrated in South Africa, Namibia, Kenya, and Zimbabwe, face a precarious existence, battling poaching threats that push their northern counterparts to the brink of extinction. These rhinos, with males reaching 12 to 13 feet and weighing up to 7,940 pounds and females up to 4,000 pounds, symbolize the plight of a species in need of protection, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts to secure their future and prevent the loss of this magnificent creature. Japanese spider crab. The world's largest crabs with an impressive 10 legs, spanning up to 12.5 feet and weighing nearly 20 kilograms. Capable of engulfing a human child, these masters of camouflage reside at depths of 150 to 200 meters, utilizing their surroundings to cover their shells and seamlessly blend into the environment, rendering them nearly invisible to predators. Their remarkable longevity, with lifespans reaching up to 100 years or more, may be attributed to their effective defense strategies. Despite their size, Japanese spider crabs are more likely to prey on octopuses or stingrays rather than pose a threat. Operating as scavengers, they feed on leftover debris from animals and plants on the ocean floor. While surrounded by legends, these colossal crustaceans play a crucial role in the ecosystem, diligently cleaning up the decaying matter and fulfilling their role as oversized scavengers in the depths of the ocean. Green anaconda. Meet the green anaconda, the world's fattest snake, surpassing even the length of a reticulated python with its impressive girth. Belonging to the boa family, these colossal reptiles can stretch over 29 feet, boasting a diameter of 12 inches and weighing up to 550 pounds, twice the weight of a python. To achieve such size, green anacondas feast on large prey, relishing deer, wild pigs, caiman, and the occasional jaguar. As constrictors, not venomous, they employ a deadly embrace, coiling around their prey until it asphyxiates, then swallowing it whole. Females, typically larger, blend seamlessly into the jungle with olive green coloring, dark oval spots along their spines, and yellow spots down their sides. This camouflage aids in their stealthy movement through the rainforest vegetation, where they lurk to ambush unsuspecting prey. Witness the astonishing adaptations that make the green anaconda a formidable predator in its lush habitat. African savanna elephant. Discover the African savanna elephant, part of a duo that includes the African forest elephant. The largest land animal globally, the savanna elephant dwarfs its relatives, boasting thicker tusks with larger curves and more triangular-shaped ears. Standing up to 13 feet tall and weighing a colossal 2.5 to 7 tons, these elephants epitomize land animal strength, capable of overcoming even a lion with their treeing might. Beyond physical power, their collective brain power becomes a formidable defense, with herds working together to ensure survival. Despite their significance and popularity, African elephants face critical endangerment, risking extinction if current trends persist. Recognized as keystone species, their habits and behaviors play a vital role in the ecosystem, from spreading seeds to creating watering holes. Preserving these extraordinary animals becomes paramount, securing not just their future, but also the health of the entire ecosystem they contribute to. The Chianina, a cattle breed destined for a heavy fate as the largest of its kind. When it comes to colossal cows, the outlook is grim, as size often translates to more steaks, burgers, and pastrami. Unfortunately, the title of the world's largest cattle breed falls upon the Chianina, bred for at least 2 millennia in the Italian regions of Lazio, Umbria, and Tuscany. Initially serving as powerful working animals, these colossal creatures excelled in plowing and carting tasks across the challenging mountainous terrain of central Italy. However, the advent of agricultural industrialization led to their displacement in the fields and, tragically, the scrutiny of their gigantic, meaty bodies as prime cuts for the famed bistecca alla fiorentina, or Florentine steak. With the mighty Chianina, weighing over 3,500 pounds and reaching heights of 6 feet 7 inches, their substantial frames inevitably contribute to a plentiful supply of steak. Nature's giants have truly left us mesmerized. Which of these abnormally large animals amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping revelations.